Good morning and welcome back to another Sri Lanka vlog. I'm currently in the bathroom because this is basically where I've been living for the past 12 hours. After all that chaos yesterday with the train and the journey here and everything, I unfortunately have come down with a pretty bad case of belly or food poisoning. I don't know exactly what caused it. I think really just the stress of the journey over here, the trip. Then of course the incident with my phone and really just getting used to the Sri Lankan lifestyle. I think my body just needs to go through this adjustment period. Like I haven't even though I may be half Sri Lankan, I didn't grow up here. I haven't traveled in these kind of countries before. Like yesterday, we had street food. My body's not quite used to all of that yet. So yeah, I think it just took its toll. It's currently the next morning. I'm feeling a lot better. But man, yesterday afternoon, like we were at the restaurant downstairs, I was just having a soup because I was already feeling a bit queasy in my stomach, so I just thought I'd have a light soup, and then I felt myself having to throw up, so I rushed back up here in the room, and then I did indeed throw up like hell a few times. Then I had a pretty bad diarrhea as well, so I completely skipped dinner. Like I couldn't eat anything. I just felt sick and queasy in my stomach, so I've just been drinking fluids. But yeah, it's a part of the travels. If you're new to traveling these kind of countries, well, it's something you got to watch out for. If you've never done it before, it's likely to happen. It's kind of like a rite of passage, don't they say? Every seasoned traveler, I think, has to go through this a few times. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm not bummed out because of it. It's happened. I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm ready for another day of exploring. The others did go out last night, explore a little bit. I opted to just stay here and rest. I got an early night. I went to bed at 8. It's currently 5:30. I woke up an hour ago. So I had a really good night's sleep here. We got just chill in AC. So I'm feeling a lot better, thankfully. And then I just woke up and had a shower. I'm feeling nice and refreshed now. So yeah, that's it. This noise behind here is, these windows, the AC unit's right here. You probably can't see, but yes. So yeah, I'm just going to chill the rest of the morning, wait for the others to all get ready, and then we'll go out and explore. There's a rooftop garden and swimming pool. We're staying on the 4th floor. So just up by the pool, you can see to the side here there's a bunch of washing hanging. I believe this is just where the cleaner comes to hang all the washing for the hotel. Nice little garden area. And up here we have the pool. Brand new day here in Galle. Just on the way to get some supplies for the day, and then we're going to slowly head off to the fort, which is over there in the distance. Spa supermarket. So a local supermarket is like here in Sri Lanka. We got the spa in Galle. This is what I bought yesterday. It's the pack of samahan. If you're in Sri Lanka and you have issues with food poisoning, get yourself some samahan. I mean, no matter what it is, samahan, great herbal tea with local spices. Just get yourself some of these. Comes with packets and yeah, really good. A good mix of things. Do your grocery shopping, fresh vegetables at the front. If you're wondering in terms of prices, in terms of Australian dollars, 1,000 rupees is about 5 Australian dollars. A bunch of bottled drinking water that you can get. Have it all lying around here. Good for tourists. 5.6 liters drinking water. Some drinks, Milo, frozen yogurt. Frozen section. Good little mix here at the supermarket. I'm not getting anything now. I already bought things I wanted yesterday. Meat section. We've got Christmas decorations up. Got some locally sourced shells as decoration. You guys got everything?
Yeah, got everything.
Nice.
You want me to get this?
Got ourselves some drinks, spare bottled water, always good to have.
Stuff like this is expensive, so that's what you guys keep going to it. It's way cheaper stuff.
It's the local restaurant inside the Galle Fort here. Had a delicious chocolate pancake breakfast. We're now currently inside the historic Galle Fort. This fort was first constructed by the Portuguese in 1588, the late 16th century. Then in the 17th century, the Dutch took over and they added some more fortifications to the port. So you can really still see the Portuguese and Dutch influence here. We're now coming to the edge of the fort. A lot of the buildings on the internal part is where the Portuguese initially built this fort structure. You can really see the remnants of the fort that the Portuguese and later the Dutch constructed. In 2004, Sri Lanka was one of the worst hit countries by the Boxing Day tsunami that devastated countries across Asia, 26th of December. And yeah, Galle itself was hit by that tsunami, but these fortifications along here held up against the tsunami. It's really nice just walking along the edge of the fort. This was in Australia. All along the edge here there'd be barriers, there'd be signs everywhere warning of danger this, danger that, and differences between traveling Australia versus a country like Sri Lanka. And honestly, like, don't get me wrong, I love Australia. It's got beautiful, unique nature that you won't find anywhere else in the world, but compared to traveling like this, it's like Australia is just so overregulated, dull, expensive, and dare I say boring. Probably noticed that many of the signs are in multiple languages. The main language spoken here in Sri Lanka is Sinhala. Then there's also a significant Tamil minority, which form about 15-20% of the population. And they of course speak Tamil, same as state of Tamil Nadu in India. And then everything of course is also in English, as a remnant from the British colonial era. And yeah, Sri Lanka has 3 official languages: Sinhala, Tamil and English. So yeah, even if you don't speak Sinhala or Tamil, depending where you are in the country, most people do speak English. So it's very easy. You can easily get around with just English here. It's very interesting to note that people do in fact live here in this fort, which I think really does show some of the unique characteristics and I would say adaptability of the Sri Lankan people, because many other people around the world will probably just have viewed the fort, it's just a colonial era relic, and would probably just leave it and not do anything with it. Even after independence, Sri Lanka has maintained and done renovations on parts of the fort. So that's really something that stands out to me, the fact that people are still in fact living in here and really just like essentially just now, even after independence, essentially just claiming it as their own. I think it really does show the resilience and adaptability of the Sri Lankan people, the fact that they just claimed it as their own and they're still maintaining it. Now walking towards the other side of the fort where we have the clock tower. More walls here.